Zoho Books makes sharing invoices with clients fast and professional. You can send them via email with PDF attachment, share a secure online link, or let clients view and pay directly from a client portal. Step-by-step guide. Create or open the invoice log into Zoho Books. Go to Sales, Invoices. Either create a new invoice, plus new invoice, or open an existing one from the list. Share via email, most common. In the invoice view, click Send or Email button at the top. The Send Invoice window opens. 2. Client's email autofills or add manually. CC, BCC. Add additional recipients if needed. Subject and message. Customize the email body. Attachments. PDF is attached by default. Add extra files if required. Choose Send and Close or Send and New. Invoice is emailed instantly with a professional template. Share a secure payment link. No email needed. In the invoice view, click Share or the share icon. Select Copy Link. A secure, unique URL is generated. Paste the link in WhatsApp, email, SMS, or client portal message. Clients click, view invoice, download PDF, and pay online via integrated gateways like Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay. Enable Client Portal. Best for repeat clients. Go to Settings, Client Portal, turn on. Clients get auto-invited. They log in to view all invoices, payment history, and pay directly. Share portal login link once. Future invoices appear automatically.